Welcome to a new video, where we are going to show some need-to-know Siri functions. First of all, start with choosing the voice you like best. There are multiple variations available. You can start a FaceTime call with multiple users at once. Just tell Siri all the names you would like to add. Ask Siri what's on the schedule every morning. Pick up the phone with your voice. This means you don't have to physically grab your iPhone. Open various apps using your voice, for example the calculator. Make use of Siri during your car trip. There is a command button in the steering wheel with which you start the function. In addition to using voice command yourself, it is also possible to play incoming messages. If you are looking for example gas stations, activate voice command. Based on this, various options will appear that you can select.